Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today has nothing to do with the lake. It actually has something to do with the minibike. We are upgrading it. I already took off the seat. Basically, I'm gonna make it better faster. But first, we gotta wash it, take everything off, repaint, re-spray paint actually, and then yeah. First, I'm taking off the chain tensioner right here to get that off. Blah blah blah. Alright, I got the chain tensioner off. Right there, I'm gonna take the chain off and hopefully the clutch. Alright, I got it off. Chain is right there, it's off. I'm gonna undo the exhaust pipe, I think now. Alright guys, I did a lot. Handlebars off. Took the engine out. Front fender, I'm trying to get the wheels out now. And then probably the sprocket next. Alright, got the brake disc out, sprocket out, everything out. Wheels are over there. I'm gonna wash it now. Alright guys, I washed it and I put it on my trampoline. I also did the tires. I'll give the tires to Parker and he's gonna install new tires. Probably gonna paint the fender too, but I will see you guys when I'm about to paint. Alright guys, first coat done. Also doing the rims. Alright guys, you actually missed a lot. I didn't record much. It's been like 3 days now, 4 days. Got the tires on. Add that sticker. I should actually probably put in a brake. I got a 42 sprocket that we had to mess with. You had to use a 5/16, and I had to drill a bit bigger holes. Max torque clutch. I am gonna add the brake now. Alright, I found out the brake disc does not fit on Motovox, so it's a nice brake. I love it, but it doesn't fit, so I'm gonna have to find a new one. Alright, I'm still waiting for a chain, and then ordered a new brake. The exhaust pipe looks so clean on that, except it's super loud. Other than that, let's do a startup. Alright guys, not even kidding, like 2 minutes after I said when the chain's coming, it literally came. So, make sure my dial's down. So let's go put this on. Alright guys, I literally went everywhere. Did not find a chain tensioner, but I really just needed this piece because this piece right up here is stripped. And I can't screw a nut on and keep it tight. So, we're gonna straight chain that. But first, I'm gonna eat. Alright, I just ate Captain Crunch, and I'm gonna do markings, and then we'll cut it. Something like that, we're just gonna push it. Gotta be kidding me, dude. It's been over now. That is, bent. Barely can see it, but. Alright guys, that chain breaker does not work very well, but I got this left. I'm gonna just grind it off because I don't feel like doing anything else, so I'll do that. Alright guys, it was running and it turned off again after I got it back on. I'm tightening that bolt because right now, that actually looks bigger on camera, but it's not closed all the way because it doesn't really fit into the frame. It's touching against my frame right now.